2018 BMW X1 vs 2018 Audi Q3, head-to-head. The options are slim in our luxury subcompact SUV rankings. The Audi Q3 and BMW X1 are among the best-selling models in the US for the class. Both offer first-rate cabins, comfortable seats, and a smooth ride. They also boast high safety scores and respectable reliability ratings. However, there's quite a bit that sets them apart. The Q3 debuted as a brand new model in 2015. Since its inception, it has seen minor interior and exterior updates, newly added standard and available features, updated package options, and revamped trims. The X1 came to market for the 2013 model year. BMW completely redesigned the SUV in 2016, which resulted in it being crowned our best luxury subcompact SUV for the money and best luxury subcompact SUV for families for the 2016 model year. It has undergone few changes since then, aside from the elimination of standard all-wheel drive and the addition of a standard rear-view camera. Using US News scoring data, let's see what sets these vehicles apart in the categories that matter most to luxury subcompact SUV shoppers. Remember that we update our scores regularly as new expert reviews and data become available, so the scores in this slideshow may not match the scores in our rankings. The 2018 Audi Q3 Premium Base starts at $32,900. The only other trim is the Premium Plus, $35,800. You can add all-wheel drive for $2,100, and multiple packages are available. Checking all the boxes will cost you around $42,600. The 2018 BMW X1 only comes in one trim, S-Drive 28i, which has a starting price of $33,900. An extra $2,000 gets you all-wheel drive, X-Drive 28i. There are several other packages available that can push the price up over $45,000. J.D. Power has not yet rated the 2018 Q3 or X1 for predicted reliability. Both have historically earned a rating of 3 out of 5. The Audi Q3 seats 5 passengers. The front seats are comfortable and highly adjustable. While the seats provide plenty of support, optional sports seats offer increased side support. The rear seats should accommodate most adults, though legroom is a bit tight. The BMW X1 has roomy, spacious seating for 5 people. 2 tall adults will have no problem stretching out in the back seats. You can opt for reclining and sliding rear seats, which make the second row even more pleasant. The Q3 provides 16.7 cubic feet of space behind the second row. If you fold down the rear seats, cargo capacity increases to 48.2 cubic feet. This is average for the class. Conversely, the X1 is the roomiest vehicle in our luxury subcompact SUV rankings. You'll enjoy 27.1 cubic feet behind the back seats and 58.7 with them folded flat. Both S.U.V.'s cabins feature high-quality materials and have an upscale look and feel. The X1's modern interior is more visually appealing, though the Q3 is not lacking when it comes cabin layout, fit, and finish. While the Q3 comes standard with leather upholstery, the X1's standard upholstery is synthetic leather. You can upgrade the BMW to genuine leather. The Audi Q3 doesn't include an infotainment system as standard. You can add Audi's MMI interface by purchasing a package. Physical controls for most functions are intuitive, but the primary control knob is difficult to reach. Other standard features include Bluetooth, satellite radio, heated side mirrors, and a panoramic sunroof. The BMW X1 includes a user-friendly 6.5-inch infotainment display that's controlled by a convenient knob between the seats. Standard features include Bluetooth, HD radio, and push-button start. The X1's available feature list is lengthy and includes options like Apple CarPlay, a Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless smartphone charging, a panoramic moonroof, and an 8.8-inch infotainment system. The Q3 comes with a 200 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's fine for driving around town, but it lacks adequate power for the highway. The X1 features a 228 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder. It's mated to a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. The combination provides plenty of power for most driving situations. However, BMW's standard stop-start system is intrusive. According to the EPA, the 2018 Q3 earns 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. These numbers are below average for the class. The 2018 X1 returns 23 miles per gallon in the city and 32 on the highway, which is about average among vehicles in our subcompact SUV rankings. While most Audis deliver athletic handling, the Q3 caters more toward comfort. It provides a coddling ride with confident handling and precise steering. The X1 delivers dynamic handling, as well as a comfortable ride. It features precise steering, strong brakes, and minimal body roll, which makes it one of the most fun to drive SUVs in the class. If you crave increased athleticism, you can upgrade to all-wheel drive, opt for high-performance run-flat tires, and add the M Sport suspension system. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, the 2018 Audi Q3 and BMW X1 both received the highest rating of good in all individual crash tests. However, the X1 earned higher safety ratings for its headlights. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has yet to test the Q3. It gave the X1 a 5-star overall rating, though in the NHTSA's individual testing, it only scored 4 out of 5 stars in the rollover and frontal tests. Both 2018 SUVs come standard with a rear-view camera. The Q3 also includes front and rear parking sensors. However, its only available safety feature is Audi Side Assist, blind spot monitoring. The X1 offers a wealth of optional safety technology, including adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, collision mitigation braking, traffic sign information, automatic high beams, and a head-up display. Because the X1 earned a higher headlight rating from the ACE and has more available high-tech safety features, it wins this category. The 2018 Audi Q3 is less expensive than the X1, and its cabin quality and reliability match what the X1 offers. However, the 2018 BMW X1 tops the Q3 in all other categories. It offers more room for passengers and cargo, came standard with an easy-to-use infotainment system, and has a long list of available convenience and safety features. The X1 also provides more power, delivers better driving dynamics, and is more fuel efficient. It comes as no surprise that it places at the top of our luxury subcompact SUV rankings. More shopping tools from US News & World Report. To learn more about the Audi Q3 and BMW X1, check out their reviews. Then, see how they stack up against the competition by exploring our luxury subcompact SUV rankings. When it comes time to buy, use our best price program to get the best deal on your new SUV. Shoppers who use the program save an average of $3,279 off their new car purchase.